So Harley always has a ball. In fact, I've seen him hide the balls and then go fetch them. But Heidi likes those little balls too, but not as much as him. But one thing that Harley really likes is this big ball. No other dog has liked this big ball. But he actually likes it, and he can get his mouth around it. You want this ball, Harley? Okay. You bring me that big ball? Now when you bring me the little ball? It's tough when you have to make choices like this. Harley, give me the ball. He doesn't know that part yet. Okay, you ready? Ah! I kind of grabbed it before I finished picking it up. What about this ball? Ready for this ball? Oh, wow! I don't think I got that huge leap on the phone, but boy, that was a huge leap. Harley, give me back that ball. I just got a little... Harley, come here with the ball. I'm going to see if I can get you to jump up again. Now he's interested in the blue ball. Okay. Blue ball. Are you ready, Harley? I want to see you jump. You ready? Okay. Harley. Harley, can you bring me a ball? He really doesn't know the concept of bringing it back to me. But I'm sure he will learn very, very fast. Are you trying to protect that ball? You're going to give me that ball? Can I have that ball? Have the ball? You ready?